Macmillan added iron rims to the tires of his bicycle to A. Add weight to the bicycle, B. Make the tires last longer, C. Make the ride less bumpy, or D. Make the ride less tiring. Let's begin by locating where we see Macmillan adding iron rims to the tires of his bicycle in the text. We see this in the second paragraph, which tells us that Macmillan, a Scottish blacksmith, dramatically improved upon the original bicycle design. Macmillan's machine had tires with iron rims to keep them from getting worn down. Here we see the reasoning behind why Macmillan added iron rims to the tires, to keep them from getting worn down. When somebody wants to keep something from getting worn down, we can infer that the reasoning behind that is they want it to last longer and they don't want it to be used up. Based on this, we can head down to our choices and mark B to make the tires last longer as our final answer.